Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Amazing Kitchen. This week we're talking about Swiss roll. Because it's Mother's Day weekend, I'll be showing you how to make this very unique Swiss roll. So it's not the typical chocolate vanilla that you find outside. So it's a blue pea flour cream cheese Swiss roll. Yeah, if it sounds interesting, then you stay tuned and see how it's made. Well, I hope you enjoyed the recipe. The Swiss roll didn't turn out as blue as I like it to be because of the egg being yellow and mixed with the blue, so it kind of looked a little greenish. But nonetheless, it is very unique. The flavor, it is just different, out of this world. It is not your typical cream with vanilla. This is something that I don't think most mothers tried before. What I have in front of me, this is the Swiss roll. Look at it, it's beautiful, it's a little greenish blue color, but let's give it a try. All right, I got some cream, I got some cake. It's very unique. The flavor from the pea flour is very subtle, and together with the cream cheese and the butter, it has this very subtle but out of this world kind of taste, and it's not very sweet. So it is something very easy to make, quick over the weekend, or even spend half the day and then you can have this ready when your mom come home and you can impress her with it. Okay, I'd like to ask you to subscribe if you haven't yet, and make sure you like the video below and hit the bell button so you'll be notified on our future uploads. I'll leave a link above to our Sweet Tooth playlist if you haven't discovered it yet. It has a lot of awesome dessert recipes, cake, ice creams. Anyways, so to you mothers out there, happy Mother's Day. I really appreciate all the mothers that sacrifice themselves for the children, and they're really super moms. They're Wonder Women. All right, once again, happy Mother's Day, and we'll see you again on the next episode. Enjoy your cake. Bye now.